In the implementation phase, you program the automation tasks and make the initial program tests. In each project you have different tasks to solve, from simple logic operations to complex control and data management tasks. The highest degree of efficiency is always demanded when creating automation solutions, be they for individual machines or extensive plants. SIMATIC software offers you a universal engineering environment with the right tools for all sorts of methods and tasks. SIMATIC software uses standard languages in compliance with the international standard IEC 61131-3. Logical operations like interlocking, for example, can be very easily realized as a ladder diagram or function block diagram, FBD. These are user-friendly and graphics-based and as such ideal for newcomers to the system. You can achieve high program performance by using the instruction list programming language IL. Calculations and data processing, such as complex calculation of set point values and checking of quality values. These problems, often in the form of algorithms, can be easily formulated in the PC high-level language ST. The structure of this language is very similar to the high-level language Pascal. Function-oriented and structured programming permits you to convert the most complex of algorithms extremely quickly. Sequential tasks like processing routes and machine processes are graphically programmed extremely efficiently as sequence function charts. The process to be controlled is divided into separate steps with clearly defined functions. This permits you to have straightforward programs that can be understood intuitively by other users, such as the commissioning or service personnel. Technological tasks, from simple closed-loop controls to complex motion control systems, are supported by ready-to-use software blocks. Using such libraries, implementation is reduced largely to graphical switching of these blocks and assigning their parameters. And talking about blocks, the SIMATIC programmer and block concept is quite unique and helps you to complete your project in many ways. Each SIMATIC CPU supports you in structuring your automation project, so that the real process and all its functional parts can be imaged as modules in the program. The overall task of a system or machine can be broken down into different subtasks. So, in our sample system, we have the subtasks of conveying, labeling, checking, and palleting. Likewise, you can structure the user software for your project and picture them as various separate programs that communicate with each other. Each subprogram handles a machine or system function. Clearly defined subprograms can be tested quickly, faults can be located more easily in them, and they can be reused more conveniently. They even make extending a plant much simpler. SIMATIC's block concept also enables you to combine different programming languages in one and the same project. For each subtask or each block, you can use exactly the language that is best for solving the problem in each case. Even when creating the software, you can test your programs. This saves time and costs for the subsequent commissioning phase. The earlier you discover any errors in the program, the more sure you can be that it is practically error-free and fully optimized when applied to the plant. All the SIMATIC software programming languages include powerful test functions. You can control binary inputs and outputs, as well as flags directly in the program editor with a simple mouse click to test sub-programs already during the course of programming. In addition, you can use a tool for offline simulation on the programming device or PC to test the user software as if it were already running on the target hardware.